Hey there, my name is Christian Fernandez. Welcome to my Traditional Origami course. I've had a lifelong interest in origami. I think it's very cool to be able to take a simple piece of paper and convert it into an elegant piece of art in a few minutes. I started off using origami books, but I have to say that although the diagram system is great, I found it a bit frustrating. Sometimes it was difficult to figure out how to progress from one diagram to the next. Now that video courses have come along, this is a great way to learn origami, and I think this makes the art of origami accessible to many more people. In this course, you'll learn how to make a number of different traditional origami models. These include the peace crane, flapping crane, boat, butterfly, star box, jumping frog, and the lily flower. Additional resources include printable origami paper. I've included a number of my original designs so that you can print them using your home or office printer. So you can make beautiful origami today if you like. Origami Crease Patterns. An origami crease pattern shows where all the folds need to be on a flat piece of paper to make a particular origami model. These can be used as the basis of the design of origami paper for specific models, with Photoshop, or by printing it out and colouring it in. Crease patterns are included for all the models featured in this course. This course is suitable for anyone who wants to learn origami. No previous experience is necessary, and origami is a great activity for all ages. Origami is a relaxing activity. You can get great satisfaction from creating something beautiful from a simple piece of paper. You'll also develop a renewed appreciation for design and for paper in particular. The other cool thing about origami is that it's very portable. You can do origami anywhere that you can pick up a piece of paper, once you have the knowledge of how to fold it.